Welcome, fellow seekers of truth, enlightenment, and manifestation. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the profound teachings of Dolores Cannon, a renowned pioneer in the field of metaphysics and past life regression. In this video, we delve into the concept of the karmic wheel and how we can break free from its relentless cycle. As we delve deeper, we will uncover the power of forgiveness in creating a brighter future, the undeniable connection between our emotions and physical health, and the role of our intentions and positive actions in shaping our reality. Furthermore, we will explore the vital importance of healing as a means to break free from the karmic wheel. Okay, let's begin. The concept of the karmic wheel is rooted in the belief that our actions in past lives influence our present circumstances and future experiences. It is a cycle of cause and effect that spans across lifetime. Recognizing patterns in our lives is the first step towards breaking free from this cycle. Taking responsibility for our actions is crucial in breaking free from the cycle of karma. It means acknowledging the impact of our choices and actions and actively working towards making amends and improving ourselves. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in releasing the past and creating a brighter future. It involves letting go of emotional baggage and freeing ourselves from the burden of carrying grudges. It is not only about forgiving others, but also forgiving ourselves for the mistakes we have made. The power of forgiveness extends beyond the act of reconciling with someone who has hurt you. As recommended by Frederick Luskin, Ph.D., author of Forgive for Good, forgiving can also be a way to make your own life less stressful while still maintaining distance from the person who caused you harm. In order to mend a broken bond, Dr. Luskin suggests several tips. First, share your frustration and tell your story to a few close friends. This can help you explore your feelings about the rift and gain a clearer perspective on the situation. It's important to remember that forgiveness is not about determining who was right or wrong. Instead, focus on what forgiving can bring to your own life. Remind yourself that forgiveness can free you to move forward and reduce the angst that may be holding you back. In moments of tension or anger, take a moment to breathe deeply and find calm. This can help you avoid getting caught up in negative emotions and allow you to approach the situation with a clearer mindset. The connection between emotions and physical health is often overlooked or misunderstood. However, research has shown that mental health problems can significantly increase the risk of developing preventable physical health conditions. In fact, nearly 1 in 3 people with a long-term physical health condition also has a mental health problem, most commonly depression or anxiety. There are several factors that contribute to this connection between emotions and physical health. Genetics may play a role, as the genes that make it more likely for someone to develop a mental health problem may also contribute to physical health problems. Additionally, low motivation can be a factor, as some mental health problems or medications can affect a person's motivation to take care of their physical health. It is important to prioritize both mental and physical health to achieve overall well-being. Taking care of your mental health can help prevent the development of physical health conditions, and vice versa. This can involve seeking treatment for mental health problems, practicing self-care, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits. In addition to the impact on physical health, our thoughts also play a crucial role in manifestation. Thoughts are energy, and whatever we think will eventually come back to us. Therefore, it is important to have positive and focused thoughts aligned with our desires in order to manifest them. Intentions and positive actions play a significant role in shaping our reality and guiding us away from the karmic wheel. By setting positive intentions and taking actions aligned with our highest good, we can create a more fulfilling and harmonious life. Intention serves as the catalyst for manifestation. It is the conscious and deliberate decision to bring something into existence. When we set clear intentions, we establish a direction for our desires and activate the creative forces within us. Intention acts as a focused beam of energy that initiates the manifestation process, guiding our thoughts, emotions, and actions towards the realization of our goal. However, intention alone is not enough. Attention plays a crucial role in manifesting our desires. Attention is the conscious focus and concentration on our intention. It involves directing our thoughts, emotions, and actions towards what we want to manifest. By giving our attention to our intentions, we amplify their potency and create a powerful energetic resonance that aligns us with our desires. The concept of intention and attention is interconnected. They influence and support each other in the manifestation process. Without clear intentions, our attention may be scattered and unfocused, leading to a lack of alignment and manifestation. On the other hand, without focused attention, our intentions may lack the necessary energy and momentum to manifest. To enhance the power of intention and attention in our manifestation practices, practical strategies can be employed. These strategies include visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and taking inspired action. Visualization allows us to vividly imagine and experience our desires as if they have already manifested. Affirmations help us reprogram our subconscious mind with positive beliefs and expectations. Gratitude cultivates a state of appreciation and abundance, attracting more of what we desire. And taking inspired action involves aligning our actions with our intentions, moving towards our goals with purpose and determination. Healing plays a crucial role in breaking free from the karmic wheel and ascending to the fifth dimension. In the fifth dimension, our vibrations and frequencies reside, allowing us to manifest our desires and create our own reality. This dimension is characterized by an ever-flowing river of possibility and love, free from stagnant energy. Karma, in this context, refers to unresolved energy or lessons that we have failed to learn. It is the baggage we carry from past experiences and lifetime. In order to transcend the karmic cycle, it is essential to heal and release this unresolved energy. Dolores Cannon's hypnosis technique offers a unique perspective on Jesus Christ and challenges traditional Christian beliefs. According to Cannon's research, Jesus Christ's teachings and life may have been influenced by the Essen community, and he may have had multiple incarnations. This perspective encourages a deeper exploration of spirituality and personal transformation. By undergoing healing and embracing the teachings of Dolores Cannon, individuals can free themselves from the karmic wheel and elevate their consciousness to the fifth dimension. This journey towards self-discovery and spiritual growth opens up a world of possibilities and empowers individuals to manifest their desires and live a life of love, light, and abundance. We have uploaded detailed videos on Dolores Cannon's healing and hypnosis techniques. You must watch them to have better understanding of these concepts. And there you have it, dear viewers, the culmination of our journey through the profound teachings of Dolores Cannon. We hope this exploration of the karmic wheel and its influence on our lives has enlightened and inspired you. If you found this video insightful, we kindly request you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our mission of spreading knowledge and inspiration far and wide. We would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please share them in the comment section below. Let's engage in a meaningful conversation and support each other's manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the infinite possibilities that await you.